This is literally somebody in your community right now. Y'all need to stay off the roads. They are dangerous. Y'all know if DoorDash is delivering. Guys, roads are bad. Does somebody have a generator for sale, and will you deliver? Didn't come prepared for this. Anybody have some extra supplies? The kerosene is all bought out, guys. Don't waste your time. School going to be closed next Wednesday. So, can somebody babysit my kids? If I see anybody driving on the roads, I'm going to call the county. I just hit a tree on Beach Street. I really hope this doesn't last that long. Can somebody come pull me out? It's cold. Hey, I think I heard a tree explode. Hashtag thunder, hashtag crazy. Why did somebody buy all the milk and eggs? What you gonna do with all that anyway? More propane. Anybody know if they are delivering pizzas? What a crazy storm.